So hi all, welcome to my channel again. In this session, I'm going to discuss about data entry form. So we'll see how we can create a data entry form. So up to 32 columns of data, you will be able to enter through data entry form. So here I'm taking only four columns of data. So for that, first I will add the button for form in this ribbon. So I will go to customize quick access toolbar. And then we'll go to more commands. Then here I will pick commands not in the button. And from this, I will select the form. Okay. And I will add this to the, I will give OK. So here you can see that this is for the button for the form. Now, first we will create a table for this data. For that, we can go to insert and table. Second, I will click on the data. Then create the table. Okay. Where is the data for your table? Okay. And my table has headers. Okay. So the table has been formed. Now we have to go to these forms. So here you can see that the four columns. So you have to enter the data name. This is for the mark, and his designation is associate, and also zone, and also employee ID. Now, if you want to go to next, then give find next. So this is Daniel. Okay, same data appears here. So again, if you want to give more data below to this, so for example, you have to give a new enter data for the employee Steve. For that, I will give new. I will enter the details Steve, and the designation is manager. Also, this zone will be south. Okay, and I will give the employee ID and give enter. So you can see that the data has been entered there. Okay, so again, if you have, you can see that you can go to find previous. So this Steve, you thought that the Steve is in north region. Okay, and again you found that no, oh, he is in south. Okay, so again you can give restore so that the previous data will be there. Okay, like this you can create the data entry form for up to 32 columns. Okay, and you will be able to enter the data more faster than normally you do type and do it here. Okay, so I think this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you.